Okay, changing spark plugs. First thing I like to do is start at the number 1 plug, pull the plug wire out. You're going to need a 5/8 socket plug. I like to use a 6-inch extension. And a ratchet. An extendable magnet comes in handy too sometimes. Not necessary. Break the plug loose. Loosen it. I'll take my ratchet off. Just use the extension. Twist it on out. And take your spark plug out. Just go right back in with the new one. Do these one at a time. Tighten it up. And I like to lay my spark plug boot down in that hole, just so I can keep track of where they go. We'll go on to the next one. Same thing. From the distributor cap, we got these 3 bolts. We'll just have to take them loose with the Phillips head screwdriver. Lay this on top of the valve cover. Now the rotor button's got this Phillips head screw down in it. You might have to turn your crank to get that lined up to where you can get the screwdriver down on it. See the inside of the rotor button? That's the flat side. It only go on one way. Put it back in, line up your screw hole, put your screw back in. Now I don't have a new distributor cap, but if I was swapping it out, I would leave the new one right here beside the old one and change these wires out one at a time and make sure you put them in the same place on the new one as you pull them off the old one. So the last thing you want to do is get these crossed up. Put the distributor cap back in place. Switch your bolts back in.